Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'll be sharing to you the applications I use for school and for studying. But don't worry, all of these apps are free, so you can download this without paying a single coin or dollar. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button beside it for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's start and see what are the must-have school apps. For the first app is called ClassUp. This is my schedule maker application. I've been using this since I was in grade 10. I absolutely love how this app helps me to set up my own schedule, choosing the right background either in photo or color. But this year, I decided to use a plain background. For me, this app will let you make your own schedule, an aesthetic one. For the second app is called Notion. This is my all-around app and my most favorite school-related app as well. This is where I write my journals, to-do lists, and since online classes is our way to learn this year, I am also planning to use this as my note-taking app. What I love about this is you can access this not only on phones but also on desktops. Whatever changes you do on your account will be visible to all your devices, but of course, using only the same account. This third app is called Quizlet. It is the flashcard app that I use. And as a student, it is really an essential because using flashcards helps me to study well and prepare for quiz and exams. In this app, you can also make your own flashcard and you can also share them with your friends.
Michaela's IQ is 20. If Michaela earned 1,000.
Next is called Scanner app. I find this more okay than the cam scanner, so I just deleted it and used this instead. If you don't know what this app is, it is basically a scanner. You just need to use your camera to scan a document, ID, and whatnot. Fifth app is Merriam-Webster. I bet you all know what this app is, so no further details and comments about this app. But I can't live without a dictionary, so I always use this. They also have this feature where you can learn a new word every day, plus they have a thesaurus.
Skepticism.
Sixth app is called Photo Math. In this app, you just need to capture a math problem and this will help you solve it by answering your question with a solution. I use this whenever I don't know how to answer a certain math problem, plus I also learn how to solve it because of the solution given. This next app is called List to Do. It is basically a to-do list app. I find it cute because it has stickers and it's easy to use as well. In this app, all you have to do is to list everything that you need to do for a day or for a certain task or activity. Next app is Google Drive. This is a must-have. This is where I store my files, set reviewers, school LAS or learning activity sheets for my asynchronous classes. I think you need this app for you to save some important files that you don't want to get rid of. And for the final app, of course, is Gmail. I know a lot of you already have this app because it is an essential. Gmail is one of the ways to send documents, to communicate, especially in a professional manner. I also use this to send photos or videos so that the quality will not be reduced. In addition to all the apps I showed you, I also use Google Meet and Zoom apps for my synchronous or online classes. I am using these two apps to attend my synchronous classes and to meet my classmates. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope I have given you new school apps to try. Make sure to like this video if you want to see more. Again, thank you and see you on my next one. Bye!